Hey, there's no other way to say this. Life happens, and sometimes you gotta be an adult, and you have to move things around to make other things happen, and unfortunately, I have to sell Chappie. Something that I honestly didn't think would ever happen. Always had the dream of packing up the family and driving across country and getting to Alaska and using him as our adventure rig, our escape pod, our home on wheels. And that didn't get to happen. I'm sorry that I didn't get to finish the build. I feel pretty low right now. I am super thrilled that I did get a lot done, stuff that I haven't vlogged for you to watch, but I do have some footage and I might compile something. I just want to put it out there that Chappie is for sale, and yeah, I'm hoping he goes to an awesome person that will do exactly what I want it to do, and it's get him on the road, go so far, get so lost, and live in him full time. Yeah, I'm pretty, not gonna lie, I'm pretty gut up about it. I've been going back and forth with, should I sell, should I just keep them, should we just try to figure out other alternatives, and it just makes the most sense. That's already people asking about him. Not sure if you can see that. That works. He's got a showing at 10:30 a.m. 1 hour from now. Wow. Another person just made an offer without even seeing him. Yeah, it's probably going to be like this for a little bit. Exciting, yes, but gut-wrenching for sure, because Chappie's my very first build, my very first YouTube experience, and even though he's an inanimate object, he's an F250 truck. I kind of humanized him to be part of my family. I have him tattooed on my leg, and it's a bittersweet feeling for sure. You can see I did get a lot of work done since the last time I vlogged. Yeah. So I'm just super gut up about it, to be honest. But I wanted to be 100% transparent because I'm not making this YouTube channel to be YouTube famous or anything. This is essentially a time capsule for my kids, so they can look back on these videos when I'm old and when I'm gone. Wow, it's a lot harder than I thought it was going to be. I'm just saying it out loud that I'm selling Chappie. It's unreal. But yeah, I'm pretty sure by the time this video comes out, he'll already be done and sold. He is a special rig, not only to me, but also the model itself. There's only about 2,500 ever made, and yeah, he's gonna go quick, so I'm not too worried about selling him. I know that there's gonna be a lot of interest. My phone is literally just, I already have 16 messages just on Facebook right now. It's loaded. These are all the inquiries I've gotten. What the heck? Thus far. So yeah, it's happening. It's really happening. He is for sale. Again, I'm sorry to the people who enjoy watching me vlog. I haven't dropped any episodes because we've been going through a bunch of things with finishing a renovation, selling our home, purchasing a new home, getting renovations on that, and that house needs a bunch of work, and just financially it made sense to kind of liquidate a couple of things and use those funds to then help us build our home. But yeah, man, I'm real gut up about it. But I'm not gonna stop building. I'll probably do something on a much smaller scale, size-wise and financially. But seriously, thank you for watching, subscribing. Like I said, I'm not doing this to become rich and famous or to be an influencer or anything. As much as, like, that's probably the coolest job ever, I'm not really looking to do that. What I wanted to do is just do this for my kids. So we did get a couple of road trips in, and it was fun, and we lived in him as is. He wasn't completely done, but it was fun, and I hope my kids remember that. And remember all the time I spent working on him to make him a fun adventure rig. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. All right, man. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Safe travels.